line is a rectangle, and this line basically it is the projection of this line. So from this line draw the parallel line. Again from this line you can draw the parallel line. Now from this corner we will draw the line with the same height, so that height is 30 mm. And from this line draw the parallel line. Now from this corner we will draw the line which is parallel to this line. And there is one line, or the segment of line is visible in the isometric view. So draw the parallel line from this corner. Okay, so this is the isometric view for this given two-dimensional orthographic view. Now if you observe from the top direction, you can see this rectangle. So this is the rectangle, and you can see this rectangle. Okay, so this rectangle basically it is the projection of this side, and if you observe in the front view you can see this visible outline which is shown in the front view. Now refer the third problem. So in this problem this is the front view and this is the top view. Okay, so before starting the actual drawing of the isometric view, we can draw the rough drawing and then you can start the actual drawing. Okay, so if you observe the front view, forget about this hidden line and this slotted portion. Okay, just observe this outline and this outline. Okay, so you can draw the rough sketch. So you can draw three major axes. Now you can complete the bounding rectangle. This is in the front view and this is in the top view, and this is the bounding rectangle in the side view. Now observe this front view. So this is the line which correspond to this line. Okay, so if you observe the projection, this projection is a rectangle. So actually this is the rectangular surface on the top plane, like this. Okay, then if you observe this line, it is the slant line, okay, or the slant edge. Corresponding to this line we have the projection which is a straight line. Okay, so this line, so this is the slant line. From this corner you can draw the vertical line, and this is the base edge which is corresponding to this line, and this is the vertical edge. Okay, now similar to this line there is a parallel line on the rear face. So this is the line on the front face. So you can draw the parallel line, or you can just draw a parallel line passing through this corner, then join these two corners. Again from this corner draw a vertical line. Okay, now refer this portion. Okay, so actually there is one rectangular slot in the top view, and this hidden line it is corresponding to this corner. So from this corner you can draw one horizontal line like this. Again from this corner draw horizontal line. Then To this line you can draw the parallel line like this, and then you can draw this line. Now from this corner, if you observe in the top view, so we will see this rectangular portion which is a slot. So from this corner draw vertical line, again from this corner draw vertical line. So this is the view for this given two-dimensional orthographic view. Okay. So first, from the given front view and top view or front view side view, we have to visualize its three-dimensional view. Before starting the actual drawing, you can start the rough sketch, okay, and then you can start actual isometric view. Now select one point, draw this reference line, draw the y-axis, take the angle 30 degree, now observe the maximum dimension in the front view. So I will assume this is the observer in the front view and this is the observer in the top view. So automatically this view, it is the left hand side view. So if you refer the dimension, the height is 60 in the front view and this length, this is 30 plus 20, so it is 50 mm. Okay. So draw the bounding rectangle of 60 and 50 mm. So take this length 50 mm. From this corner take the height along y direction as a 60 mm and complete the rectangle by thin line. Now if you observe in the top view, we will see this maximum dimension. Okay, so this is the width 60, length is same, it is 30 plus 20, that is 50. So from this corner draw the parallel line to the z axis. Again from this corner draw the parallel line. Now along this direction we should take the width which is 60 mm. And from this point draw the parallel line to the x axis. So this is the bounding rectangle in the top view, this is in the front view. Now from this corner draw this vertical line which is parallel to the y axis. Okay, so now we have completed the bounding box for the isometric view. Now refer the front view. Just concentrate on this line which are the visible outline in the front view. So this complete line, it is visible. Okay, so from this corner draw the vertical line. This total height, it is the 60 mm. Okay, now draw this line which is the edge of the rectangle on the top surface. So that length is 20 mm. So take this length 20 mm. Draw the base line. So this complete line is visible in the front view. Now draw vertical line that will represent this edge. So this line So take this 30 mm. Now along z axis the dimension is 60 mm. So this total is 60 mm. From this point take distance 20 mm, and from this corner take distance 20 mm. Then draw the vertical line of 30 mm, which is parallel to this line. From this point take distance 20, and again from this point take distance 20 mm. Okay, now observe in the top view we can see this complete rectangle 20 by 60. So from z axis draw the parallel line. So this is the rectangle on the top plane. Now join this corner and this corner. So these are called as non-isometric lines because this line it is not parallel with the major axis. Okay. Now draw the parallel line from this corner. Now from this corner first draw one thin line, because we do not know what is the exact length which corresponding to this 20 mm. Okay. And again from this corner draw one thin line. Now from this corner in this direction take distance 20 mm, which is visible in the top view. So draw line parallel to x axis like this, take distance 20 mm, and then draw the parallel line to the y axis. It will intersect this line. Okay. So this intersection it will give length of the slant edge. Now show this line as a visible line. From this end point draw the parallel line to the z axis. From this point draw the parallel line. Then draw this base edge which is parallel to x axis. So length of this edge is 20 mm. Then you can show this corner.